Layla. My name's Hiccup, and I like swimming, horse riding, and dreaming. Today I'm going to the cafe with my friends.
Hello, here's your breakfast special of beans. Beans? I hate beans.
Oh no, what are we gonna do? I know what to do.